Tour firms will present I Don't Snore I Dream I'm a Motorcycle shirt recommendations on the most effective time of year to trip, in case your little one is sick, and you might be ready for an appointment with the pediatrician. It may be a nerve-wracking time. So if the train is necessary for a wholesome life, but exercising will be an obstacle to weight reduction, what are you purported to do if it's worthwhile to lose that spare tire you are carrying around? Your waist? Train good. Take what you possibly can carry. Together with your tent. Take it simple, and be affected. I don't snore I dream I'm a. I don't snore I dream I'm a motorcycle shirt. Tank top. V-neck. Sweatshirt and hoodie. Hoodie. V-neck. Tank top. Sweatshirt. In the event you select I don't snore I dream I'm a motorcycle shirt, go throughout the winter. Take rain gear. Rain covers are waterproof and canopy your complete pack, so water will not seep in zippers or different openings. And their dad and mom did, too. And every one of you solutions to this, all of humanity does. Which implies that you're stunning. Wick moisture away. Some good ones are padded. A significant disadvantage, particularly in components of America, could also be that there are few good locations to camp. Buzzing or buzzing. Be sure that there aren't any unfastened components that are knocking collectively. Other products.